What is the stock market? Have you ever wondered how companies raise billions of dollars, or how ordinary people can own a piece of some of the world's biggest businesses? The answer lies in the stock market. At its core, the stock market is a place where shares of publicly traded companies are bought and sold. A share, also called a stock, represents partial ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're not just buying a number on a screen. You're becoming a small owner of that business, sharing in its potential profits and risks. Companies enter the stock market to raise money. Instead of borrowing from banks, they sell shares to investors through a process called an initial public offering, or IPO. This capital can be used to expand operations, develop new products, hire employees, or pay off debt. In return, investors hope the company grows, increasing the value of their shares over time. The stock market operates through exchanges, such as the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ. These exchanges provide a regulated environment where buyers and sellers can trade stocks transparently. Prices change constantly based on supply and demand. If more people want to buy a stock than sell it, the price goes up. If more people want to sell, the price falls. But the stock market isn't just about companies. It's also about psychology. News, earnings reports, interest rates, and global events can influence how investors feel. Fear and optimism often drive short-term price movements, sometimes causing sharp rises or sudden crashes. For many people, the stock market is a tool for long-term wealth building. Historically, markets have grown over time, making investing a popular way to save for retirement or future goals. However, it's not risk-free. Prices can be volatile, and investors can lose money, especially in the short term. In simple terms, the stock market is a bridge between businesses that need funding and individuals looking to grow their money. It reflects economic health, investor confidence, and the constant balance between risk and reward. Understanding how it works is the first step toward making smarter financial decisions in an increasingly connected world.